Did you know that manual bidding offers unmatched control over your ad spend? Unlike automated strategies, it allows you to make real-time adjustments, perfect for local businesses with specific goals and budgets. Imagine having the power to decide exactly how much you pay for each click. Manual bidding lets you do just that, ensuring your advertising dollars are spent wisely and effectively. With manual bidding, you can set a maximum cost per click for each keyword, giving you control over costs. This means you can improve your ROI by tracking conversions and adjusting bids accordingly. Customize your strategies for different ad groups and target audiences. This flexibility allows you to optimize your campaigns for maximum impact, ensuring your ads reach the right people at the right time. Manual bidding requires time and effort for monitoring and adjustments. Set clear goals and regularly review performance reports to stay on track and make informed decisions. Use conversion tracking tools and CallRail to guide your strategy. By understanding which keywords and ads perform best, you can allocate your budget more effectively and achieve better results. Ready to take control of your advertising? Get in touch with us today. Our team of experts is here to help you navigate the world of manual bidding and achieve your business goals. Contact us now to start optimizing your campaigns. Together, we can transform your advertising strategy and drive meaningful results for your business. AdExpert is always here to help. Call us at 3236-2261-84 with any questions you may have. Thank you for watching.